What's going on, guys? The 12th of January 2025. We're taking a look here. XRP USD daily chart Bitstamp is the price data. So we're going to cover XRP here. We've had a couple requests. We're going to talk about some higher price targets. Looking for this thing to break out once again to the upside. These price targets are kind of minimal. I think it could run further. We'll see how the rest of the market holds up. Taking a look here at XRP, so we have, this is the USD pair, by the way. We have the breakout here. So we have an overhead resistance line, right? So if I take a zoom in here on the chart, I threw this on here this morning as it was very, very nice the way it lined up here, connecting some major highs here from back early December, mid-December, and then a couple areas here into January. And then Saturday the 11th, so that would have been yesterday, got a very nice break to the upside. It was a 9.98% up day. Things are relatively quiet here today on Sunday. Inside day, down 2.25%. So a couple targets here for the upside breakout. So we do have a couple things playing out here for XRP. We have a higher high that was printed on the 8th of January, higher low. And then we had a higher high printed yesterday, the 11th of January. So lower high, this is actually a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we do have some nice upward momentum taking place. We are also above the trend line here for XRP, which, like I said yesterday, we had the breakout to the upside. So anyways, what I'm looking for here for an upside breakout, taking out the most recent highs here from the 3rd of December, we should easily surpass 285, 292. We should easily surpass that. Of course, we could double top out there. There is a chance of that. But assuming we break out above those two levels, 285, 292, 327, 618, target number 1, 340, 300, target number 2. Again, 327, 340, 300 right there. And those would put this market up quite a bit. So from a percentage viewpoint on that, just back to our highs back in early December, is going to be about a 13 to 16% move from where we're currently trading at right now, which is 251, and then up to 327, you're at about let's call it a 30% move, and then 340 is going to be about another 35% move to the upside. That's from where we're currently trading. And as far as I'm looking at this, we already started the breakout here. We're in the early stages. We do have some levels to take out of importance. We want to take out the highs over here from the 17th. Looks like that's 272. We want to take out the highs from the 3rd. Looks like that's 280, 285, 292 first levels. And then again, 327, 340. So we got some potential big moves coming here for XRP. Our model tracking is long from 66 cents, and it is still holding long XRP, which is 200+%, I believe, to where we're currently at, 280, call it 280% roughly. That XRP position is, and it's still holding on. So XRP in the recent sell-off here found support very nice at 212. A couple days here underneath of it, but overall the 212 500 held very, very well, and you can see we're starting to march to the upside. So 327, 340. Now, of course, I do have much higher targets up there too. We're in the 4s, 5s, 6, 11. I don't know if I have anything higher than that. 11 looks like my highest price target. But for starters, guys, 327, 340, I think, is the next area where the price could take a little bit of a breather for a short period of time. And again, I don't think this is any problem going to be a struggle to reach, assuming we take out the highs here from the third. It's really not that far up. I wouldn't be surprised to see this short-lived and then continue to march on, especially if Bitcoin really starts to rally into new all-time highs. These are going to be very short-lived, and we should see ourselves much higher than that, hopefully up in the $5 to $6 range if Bitcoin breaks out into new all-time highs, heads up there to 116. So again, the XRP trade signal is long from 66, guys, and it's still holding long. That's a 280+% move. So that is awesome for that. We'll see when it gets stopped out. So far, it's still holding on. Let's take over to Bitcoin. BTC USD, it's below 96,626. Has some work to do. We want to get back above that. 106, 104.6. Then we have the 108 highs, and then my next target is 116. We'll see if it happens. There's no guarantees it'll happen. So far, we're holding this 92.2 level here pretty well. If that breaks, 88,453. So we'll see which way this thing goes. So far, just a sideways consolidation. We'll see if the upward momentum does continue. Guys, all links down below. If you are not yet a subscriber, join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. And of course, not financial advice. Have a great day. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Take care.